Hydrochloric acid is secreted in which part of our digestive system? 1. Mouth. 2. Stomach. 3. Liver. 4. Small intestine. Correct answer 2. Stomach. Who was the Mughal emperor at the time of Battle of Plassey? 1. Alamgir. 2. Sirajuddaula. 3. Mir Qasim. 4. Shah Alam. To correct answer 1. Alamgir. 2. Kalmezhuthu is a ritual art form found in 1. Maharashtra. 2. Kerala. 3. Karnataka. 4. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer 2. Kerala. When was the National Stock Exchange of India established? 1. 1991. 2. 1992. 3. 1993. 4. 1995. Correct answer to 1992. A computer on the internet that uses HTTP protocol is known as 1. LAN. 2. Web server. 3. WAP. 4. WLAN. Correct answer 2. Web server. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity contained in the preamble of the Constitution of India are borrowed from the Constitution of which country? 1. Russia. 2. America. 3. China. 4. France. Correct answer 4. France. Which of the following is a breed of sheep? 1. Barbary. 2. Jamunpari. 3. Mecheri. 4. Beetle. Correct answer 3. Mecheri. Which of the following pairs is not matched correctly? 1. Alt plus edit options in current program. 2. Alt plus Shift plus D. Insert the current date. 3. Control plus Kcut selected text. 4. Control plus A. Select all text. Correct answer 3. Control plus Kcut selected text. Which scientist won the Nobel Prize in 1915 for describing the nature of the structure of chlorophyll in plants and also noted magnesium as the central element in its structure? 1. James Watson. 2. Werner Heisenberg. 3. Hermann Muller. 4. Richard Willstatter. Correct answer 2. Werner Heisenberg. Superconductivity was discovered by who was also awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1913? 1. Robert Bunsen. 2. Johannes Diederik van der Waals. 3. Henk Kamerlingh Once. 4. Gustav Kirchhoff. Correct answer 3. Henk Kamerlingh Once. In which year was the Rigveda manuscript included in the UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? 1. 2005. 2. 2006. 3. 2004. 4. 2007. Correct answer 4. 2007. Who defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the First Battle of Panipat? 1. Sher Shah. 2. Muhammad Ghori. 3. Babur. 4. Akbar. Correct answer 3. Babur. Who was the chairman of the Economic Program Committee, EPC, that was formed by All India Congress Committee in 1947? 1. Purushottam Das Thakur Das. 2. Jawaharlal Nehru. 3. Dadabhai Nauroji. 4. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer 2. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which festival is also known as Mahakumbh of the East? 1. Hornbill Festival. 2. Motsu Mong. 3. Ambubachi Mela. 4. Bihu Festival. Correct answer 3. Ambubachi Mela. At one stage in the Vedic age, the king was called Gopti, which meant 1. Lord of the universe. 2. Lord of the people. 3. Lord of land. 4. Lord of cattle. Correct answer 4. Lord of cattle. Which of the following tiger reserves is not located in Karnataka? 1. Bhadra. 2. Pench. 3. Dandelianshi. 4. Nagrahole. Correct answer 2. Pench. Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori in a battle in the year but lost to him the following year. 1. 1176. 2. 1191. 3. 1163. 4. 1182. Correct answer 2. 1191. Which of the following is not a feature of the Indian federal system? 1. Written constitution. 2. Independent judiciary to settle disputes. 3. Single-tier government. 4. Division of powers between the center and the states. Correct answer 3. Single-tier government. The Great Leap Forward, GLF, was a campaign initiated in 1958 aimed at industrializing the country on a massive scale. 1. India. 2. Bangladesh. 3. China. 4. Sri Lanka. Correct answer 3. China. Named the holy city recognized as the birthplace of the first and fourth Jain Tirthankars as the birthplace of the first and fourth Jain Tirthankars. 1. Varanasi. 2. Dwarka. 3. Ayodhya. 4. Gaya. Correct answer 3. Ayodhya. Union legislature alone can make laws on matters related to 1. Public health. 2. Police. 3. Railways. 4. Local self-government. Correct answer 3. Railways. Which of the following cell organelles is responsible for the storage, modification and packaging of products in vesicles? 1. Mitochondria. 2. Plastids. 3. Golgi apparatus. 4. Endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer 3. Golgi apparatus. In which state is the Chapchar festival celebrated in the month of March every year? 1. Mizoram. 2. Odisha. 3. Nagaland. 4. Uttarakhand. Correct answer 1. Mizoram. Which article of the Constitution of India states that no citizen can be discriminated against on the basis of his/her religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth? 1. Article 15. 2. Article 45. 3. Article 23. 4. Article 39. Correct answer 1. Article 15. On whose birth anniversary did Kanshi Ram found the Bahujan Samaj Party? 1. B.R. Ambedkar. 2. Vaman Chinduji Mishra. 3. Jyotirao Phule. 4. Periyar Ramsamy. Correct answer 1. B.R. Ambedkar. What is the height of Metricton Godwin Austen, also known as Metricton K2? 1. 8,611 meter. 2. 8,511 meter. 3. 8,481 meter. 4. 8,091 meter. Comment the correct answer and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video.